Hello, my dear friends. All that stuff laying around your house, it's all clutter. Everything that's not in its home is clutter. And the more clutter you have, the more clutter it will attract, because clutter attracts clutter. So what you want to do is look at all the things that are laying around and choose a home for those things. If it's trash, throw it away. If it's a giveaway, put it in the giveaway pile. Put it in the back of your car. But if it's not, it's still clutter. Whether you love it, use it, need it, or want it, it's still clutter. So find a place for that thing so that it's no longer clutter and your house is streamlined. Let's say, for example, that it's a coffee cup and you love this coffee cup and you open up the cupboard to put your clean coffee cup in and there's no room. I would guarantee you that there are some absolute cups in there that you don't love, need, or use. Declutter, make room for the things that need to be homed. Have a great day.